Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Now we're going to get a little wacky with this one. We have a pairing of Brussels sprouts, and instead of your normal bacon or pancetta, we're going with Chinese sausage. Trim the ends of your sprouts and remove any dried up leaves. If you're using baby sprouts, keep them whole or maybe trim them in half. If you're using larger ones, trim them to quarters. Next up, finely dice your garlic and shallots and then cube up the Chinese sausage. With a frying pan over medium heat, heat a little oil if using the sausage, or if the pancetta, don't worry, there's enough fat on there on its own. Brown the meat and add the shallots until they're translucent. Then add the garlic, sprouts, a quarter cup of water just to soften through those sprouts. If you're using them, add the fresh peas here. Brussels sprouts have a really unfair reputation. My friend actually said to me the other day he personally considers them to be Satan's joke on a plate. Well, this is here to prove him wrong. Add in the hoisin and warm through gently if you're using the frozen peas here. And that is exactly how I cook my Brussels sprouts. No boiling, no blanching, no cooking them beyond oblivion, just simple heat and a little splash of water here and there. Now all that's left is to serve up those beautifully cooked sprouts with some fresh mint. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.